Hello, babies. Hello.
Hi, children. How are you? Session 53. Welcome to our class. I hope you enjoy the classes and it is helpful and good for you. If you like the videos, please hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, please. Okay, let's
And
start.
send
Today,
kiss for us.
yes, send a kiss in the comments if you like the videos. Send a kiss emoji, please. Okay, so today we want to learn about some new questions about routines. And in the next video, we want to talk about the grammar of making questions. Now, let's look at some examples here. What's your weekly routine? We use this question to ask about people's routine. Now, let's look at number one. Do you take a class in the evening? Number two, do you and your friend, do you and your family eat together on Sundays? And number three, do your friends call you in the evening? Please look at these three questions. Okay, Mr. T, what is the first word in the sentence here?
Do.
Do. How about number four? Does your best friend meet you after class? What is the first word?
Does.
Does. So in questions, the first word is do or does. Okay.
Okay.
What comes next? I mean, after do and does, what word do we
Subject.
have? Subject. You and your family, your friends, your best friend. So it's a name of a person. Let me write it down. For example, we say do or does plus name of the person, or the subject. Okay. Now, there is a verb after the person. For example, we have take. Number two, we have eat. Number three, we have call. And four, we have meet. Now, what is so special about this verb? In the verb, we don't have any S endings. There's no S. We don't say, for example, calls or meets. We never use S ending for the verbs in the questions, okay?
Okay. Because we have a do and does here.
Yes, because we have do and does, that's right. We don't use S for the verbs. This is very important. Now, we want to listen to the questions really quick. We want to listen and complete number 5, 6, and 7. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's listen and complete. 148.
Page 36. 2. Building language. A. Listen to the questionnaire. What's your weekly routine? 1. Do you take a class in the evening? 2. Do you and your family eat together on Sundays? 3. Do your friends call you in the evening? 4. Does your best friend meet you after class? 5. Do you and your friends play sports? 6. Do you go shopping on Saturdays?
Does your best friend.
7. Does your best friend go shopping with you?
Okay, let's stop. Now, whenever you're ready, please tell me what is the answer for number 5. I write it down in the box.
Do you and your friends play sports?
Okay, play sports. That's right. Number 6, please.
Do you go shopping on Saturday?
Do you go shopping? That's right. Number 7, please.
Does your best friend
Does your best friend
go shopping with you?
go shopping with you? That's right. Okay, very good. Now that we completed the questions, you need to write down the answer for each of them. Now, we have two answers. For example, for number 1, do you take a class in the evening? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Because we have you here, the answer starts with I, right?
Yeah.
So, for me, for example, do you take a class in the evening? For me, the answer is yes, I do. I always take a class in the evening. Number 2, I want to ask you, Mr. T, do you and your family eat together on Sundays?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. So this is your answer. Because here we have you and your family, you can answer with we. You and your family. You can say we. Number 3, please ask me the question.
Do your friends call you in the evening?
No, they don't. They usually call at night. Because we have your friends, plural,
Yeah.
Maybe 3 friends, 4, 2 friends. We use they. No, they don't. Number 4. Does your best friend meet you after class?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Okay. No, he doesn't. Because your best friend is one person, he or she. You can use yes, he does, yes, she does, no, he doesn't, or no, she doesn't. Let's go to number 5. Please ask me the question.
Do you and your friends play sports?
Do you and your friends play sports? Okay. I can say, yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay. Number 6, I want to ask you, do you go shopping on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Okay. And number 7, you ask me, please.
Does your best friend go shopping with you?
Does your best? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Okay. So we completed the questions here and we practiced it. Now we want to look at the part B here. Let's look. Part B, pair work. Ask and answer the questions above. Can you give more information? This time we want to practice again and give each other more information. Let's look at the example. Do you take a class in the evening? Yes, I do. I go to an English class. So this part is extra information. I give more information to the listener. Now let's do it. Let's practice.
Do you
I want to ask you number 5.
Do you
Number
cook
1.
dinner after class?
Can you repeat your question? I
Do
didn't hear
you
that.
cook dinner after class?
No, I don't. My mom cooks dinner.
Okay, your turn.
Do you take a class in the evening?
No, I don't. I have a free time after class.
Okay.
Do you go shopping at night?
No, I don't. I usually go shopping in the afternoon.
Okay.
Do you and your friends play sports?
No, we don't. We hang out when have a free time.
Good.
Do you sleep on Friday? Oversleep on Friday?
Yes, I do. I am very busy on Thursdays, so I sleep extra on Fridays.
Okay.
Does your best friend go shopping with you?
No, he doesn't. He's very busy every day.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Now let's choose one of these questions and ask others to write a comment for us. So, okay, let's ask number 3. Let me write it here. So I want to write the question. Please look at the question and type your answer in the comment section. Does your best friend call you in the evening? Does your best friend call you in the evening? Please answer with yes or no and give us more information. Okay, give us extra information and write it in the comment section. And I will see you in the next session. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.
Well done, guys. Bye.